Okay, we're gonna make some smothered fried chicken the way my grandma used to make. And we've got our chicken that we put in the saltwater brine. And now I'm gonna take some salt and I'm gonna salt over my flour and just stir it up. And then in here, guys, I just have milk. Just milk. No particular measurement, just milk plate. To put it on. Now, all we're going to do, we're going to take our chicken leg, we're going to put it in the flour, we're going to put it in the milk, and we're going to put it back in the flour. Remember, our flour was lightly salted. Our chicken legs have been in a brine, a saltwater brine. And just kind of knock them off, put them in your pan, get them ready to cook. Again, we're going to flour them. And I have my pan over there heating on about a 7. It's a medium-high heat for right now. Once I put them in there, I'm going to cut the heat down to about medium, maybe even a little less, but around medium. And then I'll put a lid on it, guys. That's where the smothered part comes in, my granny said. This was from my granny, Sonny's great-grandmother. This is how she cooked chicken. She cooked it, she called it low and slow. And with the lid on it, see, it kind of smother fries. So we're just gonna get it done. Your hands do get to be a mess. But you do try to knock most of your flour off, guys, because it's going to burn your oil if you don't. Of course, we're going to be cooking low, so that'll help it not burn anyway. But if you were cooking at a regular temp, the more flour that you have on there, the more it's going to burn. But we're just rolling our chicken leg. 6 at a time. And then I'll put the others are kind of small. I'll put them all in one cooking because some of them are real little. But that's okay. Y'all have special memories. This one, I tell you, watching my granny fry chicken. Now, she fried hers in a cast iron skillet. I have not brought my cast iron skillet over here from Sonny's. But okay, I've got my chicken ready. I'm going to go wash my hand, and then I'm going to move the camera over in the meantime so that y'all can see when I put it in the oil. Okay, guys, we've got our chicken. We're going to put it in our pan. Again, I'm just going to kind of tap it. I've already turned my heat down to 5. I might possibly turn it down to 4. Guys, I am really loving this new cookware so far, I'm telling you. I still got to learn my stove, but I'm really liking the cookware. And I'm going to put my lid on it. And we're going to let it smother fry, guys. I'll be back when we turn it the first time and let you know how long I waited to turn it, okay? Okay, so we're back. I turned my oven back up, back up to 6. I don't know if you can see that, it's a 6. Because it was cooking a little bit slower than I wanted. But if you'll see, I don't know if you can tell those little brown crunchies. See, look how pretty. That's what you're looking for. And you just wait till you can kind of see it around the edges. You'll see little brown crunchies around the edges. And you just turn it over. And we'll put our lid right back on it. And guys, this makes it so crunchy and so juicy inside. It's so good. Put our lid right back on it. And that did take right at 8 minutes. So just watch. Each stove cooks different. This stove cooks way different than my last stove. So just watch and you can see. You can kind of like look under there and see if it's turning brown, okay? All right. Okay, guys, with the chicken, I just want to show you, I've taken the top off now, and I'm just kind of letting it crisp for just a few minutes. Not very long, just a few minutes. I've tested That looks really good. And I'll just lay it over there on the little strainer. Now some of these bigger pieces, I might let them just lay a little bit longer if it fries like that. Like that one's not very brown. Turn him over. Let him get a little brown on that side. But you just have to, you know, test it and see. I'm going to let them cook a little while though. I will come back when I take them up. I just wanted to show you that I put the lid on them. I cook them probably for about 8 minutes on both sides. And then I'll let them cook so they can just kind of crisp up without that steam in there. Okay? Okay guys, here's the chicken. Chicken. Listen. How crunchy? Yay! So there's our chicken.